At Tula Group, safety is a high priority. The safety of our consumers and the safety of our employees. It's important that every employee contributes towards a safe work environment so that we avoid accidents and protect each other. During this video, we're going to look at ways we can stay safe when working in roles that involve manual material handling, assessing the risk in our day-to-day work, how common injuries are caused, and the safe practices we can adopt to minimize risk and prevent injuries from occurring. Every day, our facilities handle thousands of goods, incoming and outgoing. Any activity where a person uses their body to move goods from point A to point B, either by hand or using another method that requires bodily force, is called manual material handling, or MMH for short. Any handling of goods using our bodies presents a risk, whether we're lifting, lowering, pulling, or pushing. Each activity we perform puts pressure on our body, particularly our backs, however light our load may appear. In fact, when it comes to MMH, back injuries are among the most common. While we can't always pinpoint the exact root cause, injuries are often due to performing repetitive tasks, handling large or heavy loads, poor body posture such as bending over, crouching, or twisting and doing any of these over long periods of time. To prevent injuries, it's crucial we use proper techniques when performing MMH tasks. Let's look first at safe practices while we're lifting or lowering an object. Keep your feet hip-width apart and angle your feet slightly outwards. Keep your back and head straight and look forward. Do not twist your body. Soften and bend your knees as you lower your body. Lift yourself by using the power in your legs while keeping your back straight. Keep your arms within the boundary formed by your legs. Use 2 hands to carry objects and keep a strong grip of the load at all times. Avoid lifting above your shoulders or below your waist. Make sure you have clear sight of the pathway ahead. Remember to have rest breaks as you go. Take your time, using a smooth, controlled motion, and keep the object close to help maintain control. If the load you are lifting is too heavy, stop. Seek assistance from a teammate or use a mechanical aid. Here are some safe techniques for when you're carrying a load by yourself. Ensure upper arms are vertical and torso is upright. Hands are in line with the lower back. Load and hands are symmetrical in front of the torso. Use fit-for-purpose handles or cylindrical handles the whole hand wraps around comfortably. And for a 2-person load, ensure upper arms are vertical and torso is upright. Hands are between knee and elbow height. No twisting of the body or bending sideways. Always work with a colleague who is of similar height to you. Decide which of you will lead before you begin moving the object. Move in unison, slowly and smoothly, keeping the load at the same level as you go. Manual material handling comes with multiple risks, including human factors, your height, weight, age, strength and posture. Task factors, the distance duration, direction and nature of movement, and force required to move the object. Equipment factors, the handhold, design specification, stability, weight and height. And work environment factors, surface characteristics, pedestrians, vehicles and the route's height and width. Before you begin any pushing work, always check your space and visibility conditions, the weight and stability of your load and mechanical aid, any changes of direction, the work frequency and duration. Next, safe practices for pushing. Assess the object's shape, size and weight before you attempt to move it. Assess the pathway you're taking for any hazards. Avoid pushing from an awkward position and stay close to the object as you push it. Use mechanical aids such as hand trucks or trolleys when needed. Use 2 hands to push and rely on your legs and body weight for support. Protect your back by using core muscle strength. Pace yourself to stay in control, protecting yourself and others around you. Finally, let's look at pulling. While it is the preference to push, if we do need to pull a load, then the safest way to do so is by using a mechanical aid, such as a trolley. Know your environment. Plan a safe route from A to B. Maintain a straight upper back at all times. Grip your trolley or truck firmly using both hands and maintain control. Start slowly using the strength in your legs. Stop whenever you experience any feeling of pain. Reassess and, if needed, lighten the load or ask for help. Now that we know about risks, injury causes, and safe practices for manual material handling, it's essential we apply this knowledge every day at work to keep ourselves and each other safe. Before you perform MMH, always think first and act second. Assess an object before you move it. Push it gently using your feet or hands. Does it move easily? Think about the object's weight, size and shape, and how far it needs to travel. Plan your route. Are there any stairs, doors, other obstacles or risks? Act second. Assess an object before you move it. Ask another employee for help if necessary. Use a mechanical aid if necessary, such as a forklift, pallet truck or cart. Reporting is another crucial part of workplace safety. It's important to report any ergonomic issues to a supervisor, helping to prevent accidents from happening in the future. If you see any potential risks, or if you feel any pain during manual handling, report it to a supervisor or manager. During this video, we covered lots of information crucial to your safety at work. Here are the key points to remember. Understand the risks, injuries and causes. Use the correct safe practices, including mechanical aids. Be aware of your personal limits, your load, your route and your environment. If a load is too heavy, too large or impairs your vision, stop and reassess. Let's work together to stay safe.